Bukan dumpling kayaknya deh, kayak tak kenal. Kayak mozzarella.
We want to cook in the nature, real nature, beside the river. Yuhu. Fricot. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ya, makasih ya.
I help you. Okay.
Wow.
This is everything that we need for the fricot. They carry. Yes, thank you very much.
Tanam hati tapi tak hasil. Cobalah dewasa susu. Nah, anak kecil. Friko, 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 Friko.
Yes.
Ya, Bang. Friko.
Fricot. Hi Azra.
Hello.
It's rare to find the weather like this in Indonesia. It's a bit cool. I feel that I'm in Canada right now.
Dadah dulu dong.
Hello guys, today we want to cook fricot, Canadian food for them.
Ngerti, Mister? Oh, Friko. Adanya Bang Riko ada.
Fricot is similar with one food, the name of mangoriko. And it's time to wash the chicken, but in the river.
Awas kamu, jangan deket-deket kena tangkap.
Okay, you have to put some onions, the chicken. Brr. You need some bay leaf and just a bit salt, because we want to boil the chicken, and black pepper. We want to boil first the chicken, but just we add potato, bay leaf, onion. Hello. Hello.
Hai,
What's your name?
my name is Mantis.
Mantis.
Uh,
My name is Hamed. I want to cook Canadian food. The name is Fricot today for you. Have you ever tried Canadian food?
Belum, no.
Oh, Never try Canadian food. Do you know any Canadian food?
No, no.
What's the name of your kampung?
Nama kampung ini apa?
Oh, Kampung Kadaung, kebun kelapa.
Kampung Kedaung,
Kebun kelapa.
kebun kelapa, kebun kelapa. There is a waterfall near here also, already seen. That's really nice. We enjoyed.
Halo,
What's your name?
it is nama saya Wiwin.
It is Namas Dia Hulvin. Hulvin.
Wiwin,
Vivin.
iya.
Okay, my name is Hamid. Have you ever tried Canadian food?
No,
No, not yet. What's your name? Lydia. 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 My name is Hamid. Have you ever tried Canadian food?
Belum.
Oh, she didn't try Canadian food also. Do you know any food from Canada? No, even they didn't try Canada food. They don't know Canadian food. Canadian food. Okay, today we want to cook Canadian food for you guys. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Nice to meet you.
Sayur sop. Bawang bombay. Lima sama.
Oh yeah.
Capek salah dong. Masak sayur sop. Makan. Bawang bombay.
This is everything that we need for the fricot. They carry. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah. What's your name?
Wortel.
No, your name.
Nama kamu siapa? Kinar.
Kinar, you?
Marisa.
Marisa, Kinar, you? Baba.
You.
Yeah, okay, that's nice. Onion. First, onions.
Awas deh. Hey.
And garlic. Okay. After boil the chicken, we want to dish
Chicken banana.
chicken, banana, fricot, banana. Okay. Chicken.
Oh iya, itu masih bisa tuh ngomong itu. Ayo ah, mas apa? Ayo nak pada dijurungkan. Ini di dia on. Berapa itu? Jadi.
Toast.
Tuh dekat air. Udah matang nih, mantapnya. Mantap mister. Beluknya, buruk bu. Anjing itu jeruk. Wow. Nah iya mah. Jeruk kunyit.
Salt, black pepper, and zarchud.
Abe, nggak tahu.
Middle.
Aduk. Kalau untuk mandasnya berapa cakap? Wangi.
We want to make dumpling. You need some baking powder. If you like, you can add milk. Dumpling.
Bikin apa?
Dumpling.
Bikin apa? Dumpling.
No.
Cir. Cir yang
Dumpling.
dumpling napas kita sih. Bukan dumpling kayaknya deh, kayak tak kenal. Kayak mangkoknya bagus. Mana ada orang kaya? Iya, enak sekali. Lama ya jadinya. Wow. Abang, ini kemana ya bang? Wangi.
Ya bentar ya. Taruh aja sana.
Fricot. Canada Fricot.
Ya, siapa tuh kue bajuna?
This is our mother. You come on. Come on you.
Ayo mah, katanya ditulungan.
Come on. Yeah.
Makasih ya.
You're welcome. Yoo-hoo. That's really nice. Fricot, Canadian Fricot, chicken fricot. We already cooked fricot. We want to check and we want to eat with the villagers guys. We want to see how their comments also, eh? Okay.
Delicious.
Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
That's really delicious. I cooked fricot, Canadian chicken fricot. It was very first time that I cooked and it's really nice.
Apa itu sih? Ini apa?
Fricot.
Friko. Udah.
Makan. Makan.
Ayo ada saya tuh.
Ini siapa nih yang belum kebagian nih?
Aku. Idik. Jangan.
Ya, kasih gitu.
Enak?
Ini buat aku.
Ya, oke. Buku nomor foto. Ya, oke.
Thank you. Bye.
Tapi minta pancing.
Delicious. Enak. 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 Enak.
sayang.
Delicious. Enak. Enak. Their smile make me happy. It's why I'm sharing food with them every time. How was the food? What do you think about the food?
Gimana makanannya?
Rasanya enak, baunya sedap.
Makanannya mantep, Mister. Pokoknya bikin nagih lah pokoknya. Rasanya sip, semuanya sip. Oke.
Lumayan enak, mantap, goods pokoknya. Enak lah. Nggak ada nggak ada yang mengalahkan.
Itu masakannya luar biasa enaknya. Udah saya rasain, bumbunya pas, kematangannya mantap, rasanya juga mantul, mantap betul.
It was a really nice adventure today. If you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe me. We already cooked fricot, Canadian fricot. We already cooked fricot from Canada. If you like this kind of video, you can subscribe me. Okay.